In this tutorial, we are going over the different modes we can let Copilot handle our code changes. So when we open our chat window, we see that we can ask Copilot things. In the drop-down here, right next to the large language model we choose, we have a drop-down with modes. By default, this is ask. So we can ask Copilot to give us some instructions or give us some help on our code. The second is edit. Edit will directly start an editing session. So if you ask to debug a file, it will directly in your code start debugging. With this, you have to review carefully before you accept. The third mode is an agent. So agent mode will automatically use multiple requests to pick the files it wants to edit and run terminal commands and iterate on errors. This is a bit more of an advanced mode, and we will discuss it last. So first, we are going to ask Copilot to debug this. So let's see what happens. I'm going to pull my script in. So now we got index and my script.js. Let's first see what we are going to debug. We go to run without debugging. So we have a welcome to the demo page, and it says click the button below to change the title text. When I click it, nothing happens. So in my developer tools, it's the 3 dots here, more tools, developer tools, we indeed see an error. This is a JavaScript error. If you're not familiar with this, don't worry, it's just for the sake of this tutorial. You don't need to learn or really understand JavaScript for this. But as you can see, my update title doesn't work. So let's go to our code and ask Copilot why this is. My button does not seem to be working. Help me debug. So this prompt will probably work, but we actually need to be a bit more specific in our prompts. I'm going to say my button, update title. Does not seem to be working. Help me debug. So I'm going to hit enter and Copilot will start working and it will say, all right, the issue lies in your JavaScript code, specifically a typo. Get element by ID is written with, I think, a lowercase get element by ID, a lowercase b, and it needs to be uppercase. And we have an incorrect function call in the HTML. The onClick attribute